Um, okay lang po uminom ng tubig bago ko pagbigyan yung request niyo. So you want me to try it here? Okay, try po natin. Sige. Total request siya ng Pechanga eh. Pechanga, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Okay, let's do it. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself. Don't wanna live by myself anymore, by myself anymore. Grabe. Alam mo guys, every time na ginagawa ko yung kinakabahan ako, kaya maraming salamat everyone. Wow, thank you! Maraming salamat, Pachanga. I really love the support. Wow, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe!
Dahil dyan, nandito na si Kuya
Oh my
Eric.
goodness, man! Oh, what a voice! You know what, guys? I'm so proud of this man. He's very humble despite his success. Yung success niya sa SB19. Sobrang galing, ano? Grabe! Alam mo, Stel, tulad nga nung nasabi ko sa'yo kagabi, I know that you will go places even more. As long as you stay humble, you stay grounded, and you continue to love all the people who love you, who truly love you. Grabe sila, oh.
At Kuya Eric, mahal na mahal ka rin ng mga yan. Tama ba, everyone?
You know what, guys?
Buy one, take one.
18 din po ako, alam ni Stel yan. Kaya talagang isang napakalaking blessing for me na si Stel is a part of this tour, and sana ay marami pa tayong gagawing collaborations in the future.
Yes.
And
Amen to that.
amen to that. Know that I will always be rooting for you.
Aww.
Palakpakan po muna
Thank you,
natin,
Kuya
Stel. Since, alam ko magaling to sa pagdating sa mga mga Broadway musical songs, di ba? Okay. Okay lang ba kung umawit kami, kumanta kami ng ilan sa mga hit Broadway musical songs? My personal favorites are personal favorites.
Yes.
Para po sa inyo lahat.